durian. Magkano yung durian? Ito, 250.
Oh, 250 laman na.
50 pesos. Ano masarap sa Davao? Sa amin manamit. So ano sa inyo sa Davao?
Ang lamit. Ilan nga?
Namit, same din. Oh, the same.
So we're gonna try the durian. It smells like when you get the toilet after.
250.
So we're trying durian from Davao. Dito kami sa may Davao ngayon. Ito yung durian nila. 250 pesos daw kasi patapos na yung durian. Di ba Manong Love Love? Si Manong Love Love. Yan, dito kami nakapos sa sa front ng shop niya. So we're gonna try durian.
I never realized how sharp it is. It's quite pointy.
Parang langka. It's like langka, babe. Before we tried yung ice cream durian, now we're gonna try the real durian ng Davao.
Finally got the glove on. When your hand's sweaty, it's really hard to put on. And we're sitting basically on the side of the main road. So
Mainit.
just next to Chinatown.
Next to Chinatown and Magsaysay. Ay, dito kami sa may Magsaysay. Yan yung tribe, tapos dito yung mga durian, ganyan.
And apparently the Chinatown is the biggest Chinatown in Asia, in Davao.
Really?
That's right.
Really? First time kumain ng fresh durian. Parang medyo hindi masarap, pero if you keep eating, parang masarap yung lasa niya in the end. Ewan ko ba kung kinakain siya na malamig or hindi. Very guys, lunot na kasi mainit dito. Grabe yung amoy.
I'm not a fan.
Ayaw ni Joran.
The taste, they're like a custard texture. The best way to describe it, it's like moldy custard plastic. It's like a baby food texture. It doesn't taste like, I don't know, it doesn't taste fresh. But maybe that's what it tastes like. I don't think I'd be eating this just by itself if it's better as an ice cream. We always eat it as an ice cream. It does have that strong smell. So
Yeah,
that's
very strong. Grabe.
That's why they ban durian in all hotels. So if you do come to Davao, definitely try the durian just to see what it tastes like. I'm not a fan of it fresh, but as an ice cream, it's edible. But I assume a lot of people wouldn't eat it fresh. So it's just gotta.
Well, some people do eat it fresh, but I think we like it as an ice cream. The durian ice cream, yes, that's the best. Pero durian itself, guys, hindi talaga. Siguro pag malamig yung durian, yes, I can eat it. Pero like this, hindi, guys.
So I appreciate trying durian. It's not gonna be my regular fruit, but appreciate it, Davao. So thanks for giving us the durian to try.
Yes, thank you.
So thank you guys.
Sang-sang, babe, sang-sang.
Yeah, it smells like your poop.